The installation process of the Delta Essa Touch2O can be very tricky due to its numerous parts, especially if you're not handling yourself. But worry not, because we're here to help. Welcome to ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet Series. Good day folks, and welcome to another video from ShouldIT DIY series. Today we're installing the Delta Essa Touch2O 9113T DST single handle pull down kitchen faucet with touch control. Let's do it. These are the components when you open up the box. Use the deck plates to cover up the extra holes in 3-hole installation, but for this video we don't use it. However, do remember to use the included plastic spacer for metal surfaces, like this. The faucet should rest and click gently onto the base. And notice the direction of the LED indicator. Put the mounting bracket and mounting nut onto the shaft. Notice the correct direction and the space for the shaft and the supply lines on the bracket. Tighten the nut by hand or use the included tool. Then use a screwdriver to tighten the 2 bolts on the bracket. Now put 6 AA batteries in the holder and close the lid. Notice the embossed symbols on the holder and the lid. Now connect the solenoid to the main water line. Push the joint until it stops. Then use the integrated clip to secure. Now connect the solenoid to the faucet by clipping it to the shaft. Put the weight on the sprayer hose, then connect the hose to the other end of the solenoid. Push the joint together until it stops and secure with the other clip. Connect the LED base to the solenoid using the optical wire. Make sure to push it in all the way. Now put the check valves together correctly and thread them onto the supply stops. Use Teflon tape when necessary and connect the water supply lines. Then tighten everything with a wrench. Turn on the water to check for leaks. Turn on water via the touch control to check if it works. And you're all done. And that's how we install the Delta Essa Touch2O 9113T DST kitchen faucet. Hit like if you find the video helpful and consider subscribing and donating to support our team. See the descriptions below for more information and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we see you in the next video.